back with another video. So as you can see, Bitcoin is now breaking out from its previous all-time high. Bitcoin is now about to make new all-time highs. It's now pushing that 122.8, 123K Fibonacci retracement level. And now it is going higher, as you can see here. So Bitcoin does seem like it's about to create new all-time highs. Although there is always the possibility of a double top, because you can see this right here, we haven't quite reached it yet, but it could still pull back from here, and that's what people have to remember. We have the PPI information coming at 8:30 a.m. on Eastern Standard Time, so that is one factor, and we're at 122.9K here. As you can see, our all-time high all the way up here at about 122.8K. So technically we're passing it, but not according to Bitstamp. But still, we are technically passing our previous all-time high right now. And you can see us, we're right there at that level, 122.9K, about to cross over that 123K level, which is officially going to put us at new all-time highs. So this is a pretty big step for Bitcoin, and if it passes that 123K level, it's probably gonna keep pumping and pumping and pumping. And just this right here is super bullish. Just look at this. It's just the buildup here at that resistance, and yeah, it's pumping. It's pushing back. Yeah, it's pushing past it now. So we should definitely be seeing 123K plus levels here inside of Bitcoin. So that's actually pretty good. Now looking at the 4-hour chart again, like I said, this could be a double top. It could still be a double top until we pass 123K and eventually get, above this little white line, because that would put us officially above our previous level. Because if you come all the way back here, you can see it very briefly touched that white line up there, about 123.2K on Bitstamp at least. CoinGecko doesn't count it, but every exchange is different. But if we get past that line officially, then we are officially in price discovery mode. And what that pretty much means is when we're in price discovery mode, we are now looking for the next resistance to stop at. And usually it's a psychological number. So I think 125 to 128K may be that level. Or maybe it'll be like a official psychological level. It'd be like 130K, right? Moving in increments of 10. But I think it'll be around anywhere from 125 to 130. Let's just say that. So yeah, anywhere from 125K to 130K, that is going to be probably our next resistance level. And we're at 122.99K. So that's, it's really taking its time trying to pass that level. But yeah, like I said, we could be entering price discovery mode here, and it usually moves pretty fast whenever it enters price discovery. So you don't want to sit around waiting, because if you do, you just might miss the pump, because yeah, it happens very, very fast, extremely fast. So that's what we're seeing right now inside of this market currently. And again, if a double top were to happen, it would be just like before. And if you guys don't remember what happened before, and I'm not saying a double top is going to happen, I'm saying if, it's more than likely not going to happen. But we did have a double top back here in 2021. So that was a big double top. As you can see, the second top got a little bit higher than the previous one. So the second top was a little bit higher than the previous one. And we went down about 50% from the first top. We went down about 50%. So that's what will be making this one different if we did have a double top. Because this right here is definitely not a 50% drop. That's only about an 8% drop. So yeah. But yeah, I do see us continuing to run until at least 125, like I said, to 130K. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just kind of wanted to bring this short video out, just so we can look at this together, because I think this is very, very bullish, but the volume, I will say, is very, very low. Like this is doing this with low volume, which is kind of crazy. The fact that it's doing that with low volume, that means there's not much sellers going on right now. I guess is a buyer's market. People are just buying Bitcoin up right now, because if they were selling it, you would not see that like that. But hey, we're now past 123K officially inside of Bitcoin. So I think this marks that point to officially bullish again. We should be going towards at least 125K at least. So, that's a good thing. But yeah, we'll end up seeing that soon. Shout out to you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's hit the refresh button, see if CoinGecko catches up fast. Look at it. It says 122.8K is the all-time high here, but it says 122.9K is where we're at now. So they haven't updated it yet, but yeah, we are officially at new all-time highs inside of Bitcoin. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. We got to prepare what's going to be coming up next, though. Remember, we have the PPI data coming up. If this PPI data comes up negative, it could send Bitcoin down, and it could send the crypto and stock market down in general. And this is kind of crazy because we just had CPI yesterday. And since we just had the CPI, the CPI, it didn't really do much. Like, it wasn't that bad. So, it did not go down hard like people were expecting it to go. But now we have new data coming out, and this is going to be the PPI data. So if the PPI data comes in negative, then we will probably end up seeing Bitcoin going down and dragging the overall stock market down with it. We do not want to see that, but it's a possibility. But until then, we are inside a price discovery mode officially. So I wouldn't be too worried about it. If it comes in bad, then we could probably see a little bit of a pullback. But I don't know if it'll be a strong pullback, because like we're in a pretty strong uptrend at this point. So we would have to need some real serious bad information and bad data to bring us down, because we are doing pretty well right now. So like I said, it's all in a matter of time. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully it's not a double top. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think this is a double top and this is a bull trap? Or do you think that we're actually entering price discovery mode and we are now bullish? Let me know in the comments. And as always, I'll be back with another video.